Hey first graders, it's Mrs. Daniel from Citizenship Academy, and today we're working on lesson 25 from module 2. So let's look at our lesson 25, and our objective for today is to strategize and apply understanding of the equal sign to solve equivalent equations. This word equivalent means equal. So two equations that are equal is what we're looking for. Okay, first let's look at a word problem. Micah had 16 trucks and lost 9 of them. Charles had 1 truck and received 6 more trucks from his mother. Who has more trucks, Micah or Charles? So in this word problem, we will need to solve first how many trucks Micah has and then how many trucks Charles has to see who has more. So let's look. Here's Micah's trucks. He had 16. He lost 9 of them, so we have 16, 10, and 6 more. And we're going to cross out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And he lost 9 of them, so we're going to cross out 9. And this is how many he has left. 7. Right? So Micah has 7 trucks left. 7 trucks. Charles has 1 plus 6. He has 1, and then he has 6 more. So he has 7 trucks. So Charles has 7 trucks. They have the same number of trucks. Micah and Charles both have 7 trucks. Look at how we can look at it this way. 16 minus 9, this was Micah's word problem that we had to solve, equaled 7. And 1 plus 6 equals 7. So this means that 7 equals 7. And that means that they are equal. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do today is we're going to find some number sentences that equal 12. And I'm going to need your help today. I want you guys to try to think about what is a number sentence that equals 12. 12 is the answer. It can be addition, it can be subtraction. Do you have one in your head? I know one. I'll write it down. The first one is a doubles fact. 6 plus 6, I know that, equals 12. I'm going to think of another one that equals 12. Oh, I got it. 1 plus 11. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 1 plus 11 equals 12. 12 equals 12. They are the same. Their answer is the same. What about another equation that equals 12? What about 9 plus 3? Does that equal 12? Yes, it does. What about 15 minus 3? Does that equal 12? Do the math. Yes, it does. It equals 12. So 9 plus 3 equals 12. 15 minus 3 equals 12. So these two equations are equal. They both equal 12. You see that? They both equal 12. I'm going to erase my board and I'm going to try to think of another equation that equals 12. I want you to think of an equation too. It could be addition, it could be subtraction. How about this? 4 plus 8, does that equal 12? Yes, it does. What about this one? Does 7 plus 5 equal 12? It sure does. So if 4 plus 8 equals 12, and 7 plus 5 equals 12, that means that these equations are equal. Equal. Okay? Because 12 equals 12. If it has the same number on both sides, the same answer, then they equal each other. They are the same. Let's look at an equation that is different, where the answer is different than 12. We did lots of 12s. Now let's see. What about if we had this equation? I'm going to make you do a little bit of math this morning. A little bit of addition, some subtraction. Okay, look at this problem. Wow, that looks different than what you're used to, doesn't it? The way we solve this is we solve this side where this equal sign is. We'll put a line through it, and we're going to solve this side first. What's 8 plus 5? 13. Okay, now we're going to look at this side, on the other side of the equal sign. See? I put a line here so we could think about what's on this side of the equal sign and find the answer. And now we got the line, and we're going to see what's on this side. What is 6 plus 7? Well, I know that 6 plus 6 equals 12, and then one more equals 13. Oh. Do these both equal 13? Yes, they do. So they are equal. These two equations are equal. Good job. Let's look at another one. What about if you had this equation? Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at one side. We're going to look at where that equal sign is, and we're going to come over here, and we're going to do this problem first. 10 plus 4. What's 10 plus 4? 10 plus 4 equals 14. Okay, now see the equal sign? Now I'm going to come over to the other side. 7 plus 7. Oh, that's my doubles fact. I know that one. It's, what is it? 14. Very good. Oops. So this one equals 14. This one equals 14. Are they equal? Yes, they are. They're equal. They both equal 14. Okay. Let's look at another one. Let's look. Oh, lost my lighting. Hello, lights. Okay, well, you guys can still see me. 13 minus 9, 1 plus 4. Okay, let's look at this one. So 13 minus 9, we're going to do this one first. Remember, we're going to look at the equal sign. We're going to say, what's on this side? Let's see. 13 minus 9. One way you could solve that, if you don't know off the top of your head, is you could say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 4. Okay. So 13 minus 9 equals 4. 1 plus 4, is 5. Are these two equal? No, they're not equal. This one is 4 and this one is 5. They are not equal. I'm going to do that. They are not equal. What could I do to make them equal? Could I change one of the numbers to make them equal? I think I could. Could I change, if I want to make this one a 4, 1 plus what equals 4? 1 plus 3. I could change this number to a 3. Now 1 plus 3 equals 4. Now are they equal? Yes. I'll take that away. Now they are equal. Let's look at another one. Okay. Let's look at 12 minus 8 and 1 plus 2. This problem. What's 12 minus 8? You can count backwards or you could count up if you don't know. So 12 minus 8 equals 4. Is that what you got? Okay, good. 1 plus 2. What's 1 plus 2? 3. Are these two equal? Are they the same number? Is this the same as this? No, these are not the same number. This is false. We could say that this is a false. This is not a true statement. It is false. It is not equal. Okay, my friends, that is all for today. You can go ahead and get started on your exit ticket. Bye. I'll see you guys tomorrow.